So what's up guys, it's me about Novice First, and in this video I'm going to share my strategy, the most simplest strategy that you guys can ever find, and the amount of information, the valuable information that I'm going to share in this video is going to blow your mind. So this was the trade that I took yesterday. You can see over here. Let's not go back all the way over here, let's just study the market of this current price action. So at this point what we can see here is let's shift on 1 hour time frame on okay, let's do from daily time frame. On daily time frame, what we can see huge bearish pressure over here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just move with the trend is a friend, right? So on 4 hour time frame we cannot see that much information. On 1 hour time frame, what we can see here is market tapped into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, which you can see over here. Once the market tapped into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, we're gonna shift into 5-minute time frame. Once we shift into 15-minute time frame, what we can see here is market came back for this retracement on this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Let me mark it out. Once the market taps into this imbalance over here, this fair value gap, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift into lower time frame. I'm talking about this Forex market. So if you guys are trading futures, you can do relative pairs like NQ with ES. Right now I'm doing Forex, so I'm going to compare Euro USD with DXY, US dollar index. So once the market taps into this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, what we're going to do is we're going to shift into lower time frame like 3 minutes. Once we shift into 3 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to find out SMT Divergence. On 3 minutes, what we can see here is DXY hasn't swept this low over here. You can see this low that hasn't been swept over here. You can see this. But talking about EU, the market has swept this high, so creating SMT divergence. Once the market gives this SMT divergence, what you guys gonna do is you're gonna shift into higher time frame to find out if there is any kind of inverse fair value gap. There isn't any kind of inverse fair value gap. So at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait. So you can see over here, market created this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Once the market tapped into this bearish fair value gap, we can see the market respecting it. And then after, what we can see over here is this is going to be our 5-minute bearish fair value gap that market just respected. Then after, we can see this tiniest 5-minute inverse fair value gap over here. Once the market closes below this once the body closes below this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, which you can see over here, market inverse this bullish fair value gap with this body candle closer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just fucking trade enter our trade at this point like this, and keeping okay, we're gonna go for a short position. We're gonna enter our trade at this point and keeping our stop loss at the over here and target for 1:2. With this strategy, I can easily get 1:2. So you can see over here 1:2, and market is likely to go down and haunt this Asian session low. But I guess market has already swept this Asian session low on DXY. Let's see it. Asian session high. Okay, market hasn't swept, so we can still look out for some sort of potential buy trade on DXY, which refers to sell trade on Euro USD. Let's see if we can see any kind of SMT divergence. If there is any kind of SMT divergence, then I might enter the trade again. By the way, I missed this trade. So that's it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. And just remember it guys, this strategy almost works each and every day, and I have when I have backtested this strategy, it gives almost 70 to 80% of win rate. I took this trade just following the same trade, and you can see also you can also see this setup that I have just marked out. These are the same strategy, and this is also the same strategy. Just master the same strategy over and over again until you master it. So I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.